Across the globe, people have a hard time negotiating for what they want, and mostly because they are too afraid to ask what they want. Let's say you want to buy a house, car, laptop or a mouse. Everything is costing more than you want to pay. How do you buy it? In situations like these, you negotiate for the price. Negotiation is a simple process. It is a discussion that is aimed at reaching an agreement between different people. We want something from someone and know that they will only give it when they get what they want. Assuming that this is your dream house and you can pay only $90,000 for it and the owner wants $100,000 for it. Now is the time to negotiate the price for your dream house. Knowing the highest price you can pay for the house and the lowest price he will take, will help you negotiate. It is also about finding the right balance. This is true for any negotiation and important to succeed at it. To be successful, at every negotiation, you should always keep in mind. And always be persuasive, communicate better, listen to what they have to say, look at it as a problem to be solved, analyze yours and the other person's situation. Negotiation is a skill that is best learned with practice. Practice it whenever and wherever you can. You too can be a great negotiator. Don't forget to like the video, tell us what you liked in the comments and subscribe to our channel.